To start this project, I cut a piece of fabric 18 inches by 5 inches. I then hemmed one side of the fabric, the short side, to create a finished edge. After that, you take the fabric and just use an elastic band, wrap the fabric around the elastic band with the wrong side of the fabric facing you. Then you're going to put the edges of the fabric together and just sew it all the way down the long side. You'll have to adjust it a little bit as you go around to make sure that you keep the fabric straight and create a straight line. By the time you finish this step, you'll already see the scrunchie coming together. Now that this is at the end, you'll just cut the extra strings that you have at the beginning and end, and then you'll turn the fabric inside out. I just used my fingers to poke the fabric all the way through. Once that's done, you'll tuck your unfinished edge into the finished hemmed edge you made in step 1. You'll just simply sew down the center of them to hold that piece together. I tried not to sew over the rubber band part. Again, trim your threads, and then you'll be done.